Do you want to know how you can boost your earnings on high dollars to easily get some extra money for free? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I have published a couple of different videos about high dollars, and many viewers here have asked me about how they can earn more, because you can claim one high dollar every single day by spending a few seconds, but there are also other ways to potentially earn even more. And in this video here, I will share 6 ways to earn more on high dollars, and I will also give you an update about the potential long-term perspective of using this to earn really good money, potentially online. So if you're not yet a member of High Dollars, then I have a full video where I explain exactly about how it works. I'll leave a link in the top corner here. So this is more a follow-up video here, but if you haven't seen the other one, it can be great to start there. Also below here, I will leave a link so you can sign up, because you need to sign up to, of course, earn here, and you do need an invitation link to be able to sign up. You can find my referral code below because you need that invitation code to be able to join. But anyways, let's start going over a little bit about the potential of high dollars, and that's why I record this now, because I'm quite excited about that. Because if I'm here on the website now, you can see currently this is the current price of one high dollars. You can claim one high dollars every single day just by clicking the button there, send a message in WhatsApp or Telegram as I show in my initial video there, or you can also use the app. I will log in and show you more about that later, but if you do not know how that works, just check out that video in the top corner there. But when I first started using high dollars, it was worth around 70 cents or so, and now it's worth more than $1 for one high dollar. And what I've earned the last few months, that means that has increased. So what you earn now maybe will increase even more, and that's why it's so great. And it has huge plans for development. You can read all about the project on the website, and they have really big ambitions, and already like more than 80 employees working all over the world to do this, and they are now listed on PancakeSwap and Uniswap there, and hopefully they will be listed on others soon. They say they're working on that, and when that happens, you know, who knows how high the price can go. Some cryptocurrencies really boost. I just want to make it clear that I cannot guarantee how high dollars will go. So this is not an endorsement code to go out and buy it or anything like that. That's completely up to you. I will here focus on how you can earn high dollars the most effective way with free methods here. And I use those methods myself because I believe in the potential of it when I can see how it goes now. So I just hope that it will keep going that way. And I just want to give an update about that so you can see where it is moving currently. But again, it is a cryptocurrency, so it can go up and down a bit. So that is just how it is, and time will just tell how it will end up. But they're definitely working hard on it, and it has great perspective because of that, in my opinion. But again, if you want to know more about the whole project, then they have all that information on the website. For now, let me then just show you some easy ways to make sure you get the most out of it and earn the most here. So I'm now just logged into the web app here, but as mentioned earlier, you can earn just by claiming through WhatsApp or Telegram or through the app also there. Just once a day, send a message, takes 2 seconds, and then you get one free high dollar. And also, you do need an invitation link. So the first thing you need to do is to sign up. I will leave my invitation link below. So if you're not already a member, then you can join through that. And the first tip to make sure to then earn enough is to make sure to claim every single day. It sounds very simple, but many people, they maybe forget that, and you just need to make it a habit. And if you know there's a great chance that you will forget, then set an alarm the same time every single day. It takes 2 seconds, and it is one high dollar that you can claim, and who knows what that will be worth in the future. So all you need to do is to just click to claim it there. You can do it inside the web app also, as you can see here, or usually I also do it through WhatsApp or Telegram as I shown in the previous video. But then you will get one question. It doesn't matter what you will answer here, and you submit it, and then you can see you get one high dollar. That is how easy it is. You can do that once a day. You cannot create several accounts to try to claim more. That is fraud. You will just get banned if you do that. You can create one account, then claim one high dollar every day, but make sure to do it every single day. because that is how it slowly starts building up, and that's the foundation of your earnings. So that's the first thing you need to remember to get the most out of it. So the second option here to earn more is by inviting other people. You can both, if you use it through WhatsApp or Telegram, you can just use the menu there as I showed in my previous video there to find your referral link, or you can log into the web app here or the app they also have available now and click here to invite people here. You can also see my invitation link here because people do need an invitation link to be able to join. And then you will get 50% of what your friends get. They will earn the same. That's important to be aware of. They will not earn less. They will earn the same, but you will also just get half a high every time they claim one high. And when they invite others, you will also get half of that. So it can really build up if you invite other people to join. And it is a great thing to be able to share because you basically give people the chance to earn free money, and with the potential of high, who knows where that will go. So if people are interested in that, then they will probably be happy that you actually invite them. They will start earning for free and you will earn a bit extra at the same time. So if you know anyone that might be interested in this, definitely make sure to invite them because that can really boost your earnings. So the next option is if you are on a mobile here, you can scroll down and then you can see there's a game called Play High Flyers. And this is a game where you can just kind of click to jump up. That will cost you a high to participate in this game here. They also have it where you can just test it kind of like for fun there. But I'm actually sitting on my computer right now, so I can't play it right now. You kind of need to have it on your mobile, and it's just to mention it here as an option. It is something where you would have to put in some high dollar to be able to potentially win it, because there's a poll that will be shared between the winners there. But whether that is for you or not, that's of course something that you can decide yourself, but you can just go there, be aware that this is another option to potentially boost your earnings. But of course you can also risk it in this particular option here, but it can be fun and you can just go there and give it a try. Also just do the training there and see if you're good at it, and then why not give it a go if you want to and if you're good at it, but just test it out first. But this is something that many people overlook, but a little funny extra way to potentially earn. The next option here is one that I really like, and this is where you can earn interest. But what you just need to be aware of, that to earn interest you need to have some money here in your flexible account here, or you need to put money in yourself. What you have here in the rewards, that is what you claim from claiming the high every single day, and for what you get when you invite other people to join there. But they will not move in to your flexible account until after a year, but you can also put money in now and earn interest there, and then they can go directly into this earnings here. I will show how to do that later, but that's just important to remember. People keep asking that. The high I claim today will be released in a year, and then I can either take it out or I can put it in here to earn extra, as I will show you now. And I know that can seem frustrating that it maybe be locked, but it's actually a good thing for us all, because that means that their chance of the whole project to succeed will be a bit bigger, because people will hold it for longer and learn the value of it, and that will increase the chances of it becoming successful and worth more. And that means also, if high doubles or triples or goes like, some cryptocurrencies goes like times 100 or so, of course there's no guarantee that it does that. I cannot say anything about that, but I'm just saying that the chances of it growing, at least in value, are higher because of this. And that also means that if you earn one high dollar today, maybe it's worth a lot more in a year, because everyone that earns now, they will have to hold it there. But then once it's released, or if you decide to put money in here yourself, you can buy high here if you want and earn extra there. Then instead of taking it out, I have a video that explains more about the withdrawal methods. I will leave a link in the top corner here for that. But you can put it into this earnings here. You can see there's this button here, and I click it and there's something called earnings. And this is here, I have currently this value here in US dollars. It is 150 high I have there. You can see I just did this here like 2 days ago, and so far I earned these 32 cents in US dollars here, as just for having my earnings standing there in my own bank. I pay to have money standing. They don't give interest anymore here. But you can see here, I have an active earnings here. I locked it for 90 days. I will earn 25% per year for that. And this is the balance I have there. You can see here the products here. If I decided to log it for 180 days, I could get 30%. If I decide to log it for a year, I could get 40% there. You can also put other cryptocurrencies in here. For example, Bitcoin, log it for 7 days, and then you would get 0.5%. You can get up to 2.5% there, 4% if you do 180 days, up to 6% interest of Bitcoin here, and Ethereum also, or USDT here. And what is really great is you can just scroll through and see the other ones here. But what is really great is that you get it paid daily, or you can choose end of term or daily. Right now I get paid daily, so every single day I earn the high here, increase my high earnings here just by having standing here, not doing anything else. And not only hopefully will the value of high dollars increase, but at the same time I will earn interest, which will give me more money here also. So if you either already have put money in here, you want to, or when you have the flexible earnings, once they move from your rewards into the flexible earnings, then this is a way to potentially earn more by earning these interests here. But of course, you just need to be aware, if you have chosen 90 days, then in those 90 days, you cannot do anything else with your high. They are locked here. So that is also something you need to just consider before doing that. So another way where you potentially can get a lot more out of high is if you decide to buy high dollars. There is a particular way you can do this to earn more. You can see when you log in or you just go to the website, there's different ways you can use to buy it. You can buy through the exchanges it's already listed on, or you can go to the website itself and buy. And if you do that, you can click the button here and you can see here, I can pay with other cryptos, I can pay with a card. And here, this is where it becomes interesting. Down here, you can see here that the current market price, I can buy for that. That is, of course, how it is right now as of recording this video here. It's just about $1 here. But I can also do this here where it's 1 year daily release. So that means every single day, whatever amount I buy for, I will have an amount of that released, and that will give it for a lot cheaper price here. Or here for a 4 year daily release. So that's more like if you really believe in the long-term potential also. But see here also how little I then pay compared to the market price. And that means here that if I pay that now and then I get it paid out through 4 years there, again, who knows what it would be worth there. Again, I just want to make clear, I cannot guarantee anything about how the value goes, but right now you can see you can get it very cheap if you do that. Of course, that will take some more patience, but to earn really good money with cryptocurrencies in general is also something you should think about long term. But this is of course only relevant if you are willing to put in some extra money. But if you have decided that you wanted to buy high because you really believe in the project, then this can be something to consider to get it for a better price. So the last option I want to talk about is something that they recently launched, which is membership benefits, because you can see there's a crown here that shows my membership benefit. And that means how many of these high dollars I have, for example, in my earnings balance here. And you can see right now I have 150, and you can see they have different membership levels. They will get up to gold membership levels also. So if I just jump here to the website where they have an article, they show different benefits that you can get for these different things as you move up here with support. And when you move up to higher membership levels, you will get free masterclass. That means that you can go to this website masterclass and get all these classes from really famous people about all kind of topics for free if you have the high dollars here. So you can see that is one of them here, and you will get a 10% earnings boost here also. The silver membership here will give you a lot of hotel benefits if you ever stay in hotels here, and 20% earnings boost. And they're developing this program. You can see more benefits coming soon here. And for the high gold membership, of course, that's a lot of money you would need to then have in the account there. But it's just to show that this is something to be aware of, that you can get some extra out of your high here. For example, you can get extra earnings boost, free masterclasses, great hotel benefits, and they keep developing this. So this is something you definitely need to keep an eye on, these different membership levels. And if you decide to then use these interests, you will not only earn interest here, you will also then get a higher membership level and get some benefits from that as well. So as you can see, there is many more ways to use high dollars than just to claim the free high dollar once a day. But that's definitely something you should make sure to do if you're interested in earning this new cryptocurrency and believe in the potential of it. Personally, I think it's really a great way to do it because I do not know how it will go, but it takes me a few seconds per day, so why not at least do that? But if you're then interested in using more methods because you believe in the project, then it has all these other options here to make sure you get more out of it. And if you're not yet a member, I will leave my invitation code here plus my invitation link below so you can join through that. You do need that to be able to join. But no matter what, if you're already a member or not, I hope that this video helped you, gave you some more ideas about how to earn more, or maybe you found out that's not even for you at all. That is also perfectly fine. As long as the video helped you, I am happy. And if it did help you, then make sure to hit the like button. And also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about different free ways to make some extra money on the side online.